Hello viewer, how to fix Google Message app notification not working, or how to fix Google Message notification sound not working. Please follow the step. Step 1. Go to your message account, go to message setting, tap on general, now go to notification. From here, make sure your message notification allow. Now go back and follow the second solution. Open your phone setting, find out battery, go to battery. Now turn off power saving mode, because power saving mode can create Google Message app notification not working. Now go back and search do not disturb. Go to do not disturb. So turn off this feature, because this feature can silence your Google Message notification. Now go back, find out apps, tap on apps, search message, go to Google Message app, scroll down and go to storage. From here, clear Google Message cache data. So in this way you can fix Google Message app notification not working and also Google Message notification sound not working.